Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today I show you how to draw Peppa Pig and her family jump in muddy puddles. Let's start drawing. First I draw Peppa Pig, starting with her eyes, then draw her little nose like this. Then I draw her cheek, her smiling mouth, and her 2 ears. I continue with her body, draw her hands and her tail. Right here, I draw mud like this. Look, mud splashed up. Facing her, I draw George Pig, starting with his eyes, then draw his nose and his smiling mouth. I draw his little ears like this. Then I draw George's body with his hands and his tail. Here, I draw Daddy Pig. I draw his eyes. Then I draw a glass like this. I continue with his nose. Then I draw his smiling mouth and his 2 ears. I draw Daddy Pig's beard like this. Then draw his body. His hands and mud are splashing up. Finally, I draw Mommy Pig, starting with her beautiful eyes and her nose. Then I draw her cheek and her smiling mouth. I continue with her 2 ears and her body. Draw 2 hands and the mud is splashing up. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use orange to paint Mommy Pig's dress. Then I color Peppa Pig's dress red. For George's suit, I use this sky blue marker. And Daddy Pig, I use dark green to paint his suit. Pink. I use this pink watercolor to paint their skin like this. And I color this mire dark brown. pudding is almost done. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.